Yes, we are riding today. Alright guys, bike is almost warmed up. Today's ride is a very small ride. We are going to Pochama Sagar Reservoir, which is recently inaugurated, if I'm not wrong, in the month of May end or somewhere. It's a very good, beautiful, scenic place. It's not very far. We are just doing small rides these days, you know, and you understand the reason. So it's going to be me, Govardhan, and one more new person. His name is Venugopal. Okay, so let's go. Okay. So what I was saying, it's me, Govardhan and Venugopal, all three. Vijay was supposed to join, but he has some other work, so he stepped out. Now it's me, Govardhan and Venugopal. As of now, me and Govardhan are Pakka, and there is one more person who would be joining directly at Pochama Sagar Reservoir. So here we go. Right now the time is 7:15. That's not the usual time we actually start our rides, but since it is a very close, approximately 50 kilometers, we knew that we can reach there in less than 1 hour. So that's the reason we are starting now. Thank you. Thank you. Look at that guy, he was also a biker it seems. So he wished me all the best. He wished me for my ride. That's the biking brotherhood. We get connected because of our common passion. I don't know what's happening to my eyes here. What is this? Oh boy. What is wrong? So we'll be reaching Govardhan's home in another 2 minutes. Just after this signal, we'll go straight and left, and then right and left, and we are at Govardhan's home. Alright, let's go upstairs. And he has a puja. He's actually doing a puja for his grandfather. So once it is done, I think we are good to go. Here we are. Govardhan? Oh, auntie, how are you? This is our Indian home. So. Alright. So auntie, किधर है आप? Auntie, okay, your puja. Finish your puja. Good. अच्छा है? बहुत बढ़िया. Auntie, in the last video there are many comments about you, and they are asking how was your experience. You finished the puja. I'll sit outside. Everything is looking good. अरे यार. Just small. राइस एंड व्हीट.
राइस वो गुड़ करते हैं.
जैगरी गुड़. हाँ.
ये घी डालना.
थोड़ा सा. बस आंटी.
ना.
मेरी मम्मी भी ऐसे ही करती है और रुकती नहीं. आंटी जी से मिला तो मेरे मम्मी जी याद आ गए. मेरी मम्मी भी बहुत खिलाने पिलाने का ध्यान रखती है, और वो इंश्योर करती है कि उनका लड़का जो है वो मोटा रहे. इधर गोवर्धन है. This is actually in our side we call it lapsi. Oh guys, we are late already and people are waiting there for us. We should leave now. Who is saying racing? Uncle, it's already late. Look, this tiger requires some efforts. No racing, uncle. No racing. Alright, now we are starting. We are already very late. Right now the time is about 8 o'clock, and Venu and there are a few more riders who are waiting for us. So nice of them if they are waiting, but we are sorry guys, we are late because of that delicious breakfast. I could not resist. It was yummy. I don't know why, but I am feeling something wrong inside the helmet. It is now hot. The only problem is when we start late, it gets really hot. The bike is moving. The turning radius is really not an issue in this bike. So I'll have to change the battery once we reach somewhere. There is some power left in this. Okay, now we will reach Tirumagiri in another 2-3 minutes, and we'll meet other fellow riders. This is Arkepuram Bridge. By now I hope you know. The place where we have taken a U-turn was an arid made cross. The traffic has increased, the temperature has increased. Okay. Here are the riders. Here are the people. We are late. Bullet, Dominar, and a Dominar. So many Dominars together. Hi Venu, Jatin, Harish, Pawan, hi Abhishek.
Totally. We were here around 7:15, I think. So
We are so sorry because what happened? He had some puja to be done. Puja took some time. You all speak Hindi? Then it is okay. Thank you. Alright guys, so then we'll leave. Huh? Chalo. Alright, so now I hope it is recording now. Alright, yeah. So GoPro was actually freezed and I could not tell you. So from here we actually went slightly ahead. We took a U-turn. Now we are coming to this. The fellow riders have gone ahead. I'll join them because of this vlogging stuff. Sometimes this happens. Alright, let's go. Today I need to go back home little early. Govardhan also has some work. He has to proceed. He has to leave for his he has some work here. On my right and left you can see many fields and a crop is grown here and there are many trucks. I like this place already. Ooh. Look, we'll be reaching in another 10 minutes and when we are standing it looks even better. So wow, it feels so nice, yaar, so refreshing coming to this area. Oh wow. Alright, I'm in 6th gear and that's the flexibility that Tiger offers. Look, I am in 6th gear. I was actually crawling at around 30. Engine was not stressed and from 30 you can go to 200 and it is all in 6th gear. Huh? Alright, so now we have reached the reservoir. Wow. What a view. It is looking beautiful, yeah. And we reached on the top. And where are these people? I don't see them anywhere. So this is the reservoir. And there is a canal system. We'll go there, explore that place as well. And I think these guys have already reached there. So this is the reservoir. I'll go a little right so that you guys can see that as well. Here he comes. Hi. We got delayed actually. These guys should be here by now.
I already took a permission from the police. We can just go from some round and we'll come back.
We can?
Yeah, I already took a permission from them.
Oh, very nice.
Just waiting for you.
Oh, very good, very good. Nobody. Oh, actually they are calling me. 1 second.
okay.
Come, I'm waiting here. Is it recording? Yeah, this is Shravan and he owns a TRK 502X. Finally I get to meet him and he is very tall, yaar. You are 6 feet 2 inch 3 inch 6'3". I look very small. And this bike actually suits him really well. Instagram, what is your Insta ID?
KONERUSHRAVAN. Koneru Shravan.
Let's see other people once they join. We'll go little further, we'll explore and we'll come back. Alright, so now all the riders are here. I've already mentioned that we have got the Himalayan Tiger TRK 502X Dominar, the legendary classic 350, again a Dominar, and there is one more black Dominar there. And this is the reservoir. So the input water to this is from Godavari. That's the place actually it is coming from. The water is pumped here and this reservoir is slightly elevated, so it is actually pushed into the canals for irrigation. There are many people have stopped here now. It's approximate 49 to 50 kilometers from Hyderabad on the Siddipet road. I can feel the water droplets. Okay, it's not allowed to go upstairs. However, I saw two guys. They had some special permission, it seems. But there are many water droplets actually falling on the glands. These are very powerful pump, yara. There are many people actually. I was not expecting so many people here. Nothing much to see. Let me just show you that also. And this is how the water is going. So inside this there are big pump pumping a lot of water inside this reservoir. When the entire reservoir is full, I think the scene will be better. Okay guys, we are done. Now we'll go for the final lap. Nice. Oh, there is a lot of mob now. I was not expecting so many people. Okay, aa jao. Oh boy. Whoa! Feels so nice and looks so beautiful, yaar. Oh, in 4th gear it was above 100. Whoa! 140. Woo! Himalayan. Let's go. What happened here? Oh. The overall circumference of this is approximately, as I mentioned, 3 to 4 kilometers, and it's completely round. Yeah. Good view, good view. GoPro, stop recording. All set to go, right? और सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा ये आया, राइड तो एक बहाना था, इतने सारे अच्छे लोगों से मिलना हुआ हमको. VG Vlogs, वेणुगोपाल, माय ब्रदर गोवर्धन, हरीश, अभिषेक,
Pawan from Vizag.
Shravan's Benelli, Dominar, Himalayan, White Dominar, Classic Enfield. Alright guys, then I will see you back on the bike. Okay, take care. Alright, chalo bye. Okay, here we go. Alright, not much battery left. Alright. Okay guys, so it was a lot of fun meeting amazing people, amazing riders, and it was a fun time with them. Thank you so much guys for riding with me and making my day memorable. I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog. GoPro, stop recording.